It's perfect.
And hello, YouTube. Hello, YouTube. What is going on? It is your girl, Orly C. And you guys, I am so excited. I am doing today a review on the most amazing winged liner. The reason I know it's amazing is I was at BeautyCon in 2017 and I met the people at the Vamp stand. Check out this footage.
It's perfect, and you can either take down the little knots underneath, or...
So I got two packages. One was actually lost, and then I got the first package. So I wanted to do a little review and do a live demo. So I have all my makeup on, but I did very light today because I did a challenge with my kids. So this is Vamp Stamp. Look at this adorable bag, #1, okay? So I haven't opened it. I just took it out of the box. I was so freaking excited. So thank you so much, Sarah at Vamp Stamp. Hi, Orly, enjoy and tag us in the post. I absolutely will. I love little cards, by the way, from companies. If you're a company, always do that. So what did I get? So I have Vamp Kitten wing stamp. Ooh. I got the Vink. It's so cute. Instead of calling it ink, it's Vink. And, oh, I got something else. Corrector and liner, eyeliner with lash serum, and makeup corrector pen. Hi, where have you been all my life? So that was in this little bag, and is Vink as well, and this one is straight wing stamp. Well, I'm really excited because I'm gonna do one straight wing and one kitten eye, and I've never done this at all, so this is gonna be interesting. Let's do it. I'm so excited to get the best wing liner because I suck at doing it myself. Let's go try the straight wing. Oh my god, look at this. Oh, do you guys see? It's like a blush rose gold pink. Oh, so cute. Okay, so I know to dip it in lightly and go up, down, make sure it's nice and coated. You want to continue lining the rest of your eye because obviously you don't just want a wing liner. Or maybe you do, I don't know. What you can do, because they gave me this and I want to show you this. I'm all for it, Vamp Stamp. Thank you so much. My boo-boo. I just want to show you how it looks. So this is the liner right here. This has serum in it and it's a corrector, so look. Oh, you know what? I actually just don't even like any of that and wipe. Look at this. That's so good. It's really good. You guys, I'm a mom. I can just do this quick Vamp Stamp. Literally, it took how long? 2 seconds? 3 seconds? Look at this. Hi. Okay guys, so that first attempt after watching the footage was not my best work. And I really want to show you guys what this product does. I think I have all my goodies and I'm going to show you what it really should look like. Okay guys, so it's little, the kitten is little. Do the right side, and this is the Vixen medium. And I think go left to right when you're getting the stamp, the Vink on. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Line the rest of your eye. I'm gonna use this, but they also gave me a little brush that came with the Vink. Bam. Yes, yay, it worked. I was so mad when I was watching the footage just now. I was like, what? So look, this is the medium. Oh my god, I love it. I absolutely love it. It has a good angle. A+. I always want the perfect liner and I never get it. So now, because of Vamp Stamp, I have my corrector pen with lash serum. I have my liner in one. I love it. I have my medium Vixen and I have my kitten. Enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up. Click my picture to subscribe. Click over here if you want to see the rest of the BeautyCon done. It's popping up over here or over here. Hit that bell, guys, because you need to be notified of the newest videos. And if you enjoyed this, let me know in the comments below, what did you think of my Vamp Stamp tutorial? I'm not a makeup guru by any means. I love makeup and I do, you know, I love having fun and sharing new products with you guys. And this, I was sold at BeautyCon, as you saw in the video.
Good. That is not even bad. A+.
So that's everything. Thank you so much, Vamp Stamp. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.